Hi everyone. Let's play I Spy together. Today we'll use the sounds B, T, I, or I, and G. The objects that I have here in front of me are turtle, ice cream cone, goat, tiger, gorilla, boat, insect, and bell. So let's get started. Let's see. The first thing that I'm thinking of starts with T, and it swims in the ocean. T, and it swims in the ocean. Did you guess turtle? If you guessed turtle, you were right. It starts with T, and it swims in the ocean. T. Let's see. Now I'm thinking of something that starts with G. And it lives in the jungle. Starts with G and lives in the jungle. Did you guess gorilla? Gorilla starts with G and it lives in the jungle. Gorilla. G. The next thing I'm thinking of starts with B. Starts with B. And when you shake it, it makes a noise. B. Did you guess bell? Bell starts with B. And when you shake it, it makes a noise. B. Bell. Bell starts with B. I'm thinking of something else that starts with I. Starts with I, and it has 6 legs. I. Did you guess insect? Insect starts with I, and it has 6 legs. I. Okay. I'm thinking of something else that starts with G. One of these things starts with G. Is it ice cream? No, that doesn't start with G. Is it goat? Goat starts with G. I hear that. G. Goat. Goat doesn't want to stand up. I think we'll just lay him down. G. Goat. Okay. Now I'm thinking of something that starts with B. Starts with B. Is it ice cream? No, that doesn't start with B. Is it tiger? That doesn't start with B either. Boat. That starts with B. B. Boat. Good job. boat, bell, b. I spy something that starts with I. Is it tiger? No. Is it ice cream? Yes. Ice cream starts with I. Ice cream is delicious. Ice cream. I. You have one thing left. Tiger. I hear t at the beginning of tiger. Do you hear that too? Tiger starts with t. Tiger, t. We have boat and bell for b. Tiger and turtle for t. Ice cream and insect for I. This letter also says I. Gorilla and goat for g. Thanks for playing I Spy with me today. It was fun to have you along for my game. See you soon.